Hello dear friend, there is a major update for LibreOffice. If you use LibreOffice, don't forget to update dear friend. After this update, LibreOffice will be more stable. If you don't use LibreOffice, you must download. In today's tutorial, we will download this updated LibreOffice. You know LibreOffice is the only one, the best free open source alternative of MS Office, where most of features are totally free. I can tell that there are more features inside LibreOffice than Microsoft Office. The main benefit of using LibreOffice is that your document can't be compromised. If you have secret documents, you can use these documents are not synced. But in Microsoft Office, your documents, your research works, very secret works can be compromised. Therefore, everyone must download LibreOffice, dear friend. For downloading this update, you have to come here. You see update. We are inside the window of LibreOffice here. Come here, check for update. We are going to download, dear friend. Don't skip any parts. All parts are very important. In today's tutorial, we will download this updated LibreOffice. After that, we will see some of exciting features which are not available even in Microsoft Office, dear friend. It's the totally full replacement of Microsoft Office, full of packed with features. Without wasting time, let's jump into the website of LibreOffice here. Hello dear friend, we have come here for LibreOffice website. Here you can read and see all the informations are here, and you can donate if you want to, because LibreOffice is the free open source. Without our donation, LibreOffice will die, and we have only the option to pay for the proprietary software, very costly. So we can download here $2, $1, anyone, whatever you can do, please donate. But we come here, we don't waste time here. We will see this all exciting features inside LibreOffice now. You can read about event. They have always events. These volunteers are working with LibreOffice to develop, and there are frequent updates inside LibreOffice. Nowadays, I have been working in LibreOffice. I have totally replaced Microsoft Office, dear friend. I don't miss Microsoft Office at all. We have to come here. You see, download. Download LibreOffice here. You see, this is our update, our latest update LibreOffice with the better change tracking, more versatile comments, and other improvements. For comment, if you want to add comments, you can very easily add in LibreOffice here. In any language, you can use LibreOffice. Here we come here. You see, I have Windows 11, and but you can download for Linux 64, Linux 64 beta, RPM, Mac OS. Here Windows 32-bit, Windows Arc 64, here Windows 64-bit, which I use. Okay, I have just selected according to this, according to your machine, select your operating systems and just click download. Hello dear friend, you see we are downloading LibreOffice. This is very small, 349 MB, very fast. We will go inside the exciting features of LibreOffice here. We have almost downloaded LibreOffice, and we come to file here. You see here we have file. Here just click and install. Now we install here. Now we are preparing to install LibreOffice. Okay, we just close. Welcome to the installation for our LibreOffice here. Here installation. This installation wizard will install LibreOffice 25.2.1 on your computer. Okay, next we can take this typical only, and okay, click create a shortcut on desktop. Yes, I need. Okay, just click. Now we are installing LibreOffice. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? LibreOffice 25.2.1.2. Yes, we click just yes. So we are very fast. We will start working inside LibreOffice. Stay in the class, dear friend. We will very soon start exploring all exciting features here. Okay. Close the program and restart it. Don't close program. Okay, no problem. So the program features you selected are being installed here. Removing file from previous installation. Removing backup files. All very soon we will enter. Creating component registration. Copying new files. Now we have completed our new installation. Updated installation of LibreOffice just finished. Okay, you must restart your system for the configuration of changes made to LibreOffice to take effect. Click yes to restart now. Hello dear friend, we have just downloaded LibreOffice. Now we open. You see I have recent projects which I have worked inside LibreOffice. You can see I just open this file here. Just double click. You see I have opened this file, and this see top 5 free MS Office alternative in 2025. You can go to playlist and see about this, and LibreOffice is our top here. You see, you are now running LibreOffice 25.2 for the first time. Do you want to learn what's new? You have to just click run release note, and here from you can read all the release note from here. These are the changes. Dear friend, now let's go through the main features which have been added in LibreOffice this update. For this, you have to come here. You see, boundary are now toggled independently of formatting marks, are control per tools option writer formatting adds, and you can now switch off switch on view boundaries. For this, we have to come here to tool and we click tools here. In tool, click option. In option, you have to click writer here. You see here, LibreOffice writers, just click. In writers, you have to come here. You see formatting adds. In formatting adds, now you can see here object boundary. You see object boundary, text. Now you can switch on switch off view boundaries here. If you want from here, you can just click from here like border outline. Here you can apply, just unclick, click marks. This is the new features which has been added. See, take a document and try this, and you will understand how this works. Table, you want to unclick, you can unclick from here. You see non-breaking hyphens here. Just you can add, you want to add non-breaking space and hyphens, you can unclick from here. These are the new features here. Hello dear friend, if this class is helpful to you, adds value to your life, dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Nowadays I'm working hard, but my channel is not growing because of the algorithm of YouTube. But you can make it possible just by subscribing, liking, commenting, or even you can share this channel to those friends who are in the need of such type of tutorials. This tutorial will help them a lot, dear friend. Please consider ever me subscribe, dear friend. So let's go for our second features here. You see here unordered, this has been added. For this you have to come to bullet and numberings. We have to come here for bullet and numbering. Just you click, you see here, and now you can customize from here. Just come here, customize, and you can check here. No, this is, you see unordered had been added, so you can now add in your document, reset, change bullet settings. All these are available here. But this you see here order, this is order. No, you see this is order and this is unordered. Ordered, if you click order, it will be numbering. For example, okay, you see I am typing here. Here you come again, this will number now. This is numbering. In this is my resume. I am just applying, showing you for example here. Anytime you come here, customize, click here. From here you can unorder, click here. Now if you click okay, and you see now we have like this, you can add like this. So this is good. Now this new features has been added in LibreOffice, this update here. So very easily you come here anytime. From here you see bullet library, and here bullet and numbering, order, outline, here outline, image, positions, custom, customize. All this you can try on your documents according to your requirement. You can add all this. You see fancy, these are available which in Microsoft not available, dear friends. LibreOffice is so rich. Use this. Let's go for our third features. We come here. Now you can add, you see chapter 1 like in this way, headings, chapter 2 you can add. Now for this new feature you have to come to, you see, show navigator windows. Shortcut is F5. Remember, if this is not available in your LibreOffice, just click F5, it will be appear. Otherwise you have to come here tool. In tool you have to come to customize. You see here toolbars. In toolbar come here to navigator and you have to click. I have clicked already, so it's visible here in main window. Here you see navigator, so you have to come to here navigator and you can double click. You see now I have it's not showing me here technical qualification is here. You see my personal profile. So you come here and I will just hover here or double click. You see now it's showing me this is here. So when you have a big book or big file and you have several like such headings, it will be very comfortable to navigate. So for declaration, I want to check declaration where it's available. Just double click. You see declaration is here. So in this way it works. So now we come here. So once again check technical qualification. This is here. You see showing me, and personal profile. You see it's showing me and not declaration. For example, I want to check. You see just hover here or double click. It's a here. So changing color is changing. You see here personal profile is here, declaration here. So this is a good feature. Now let's go for our next new feature. Now the new features are about user interface. The list of most recently used file assist via file and recent document. Now you can see you have to come here file, and on the file you can check your recent works. For example, you see edit. Before edit you have file here. First just click here, and in file you have to come here recent. You see I have this document, I have worked on this document, then I have this Rakesh.work 2023. I have worked on this document. So we have record in here. So this is the new features. Anytime you come here and file, and you can check which work I have recently finished. For example, I come here, no, and here just a recent document. So these are our recent files on which I have already worked. This is also a good feature, very convenient. Just you have to explore. Then our next feature is about application themings. Means you can change the themes color of your LibreOffice. You can customize. For this you have to come to tool option, LibreOffice appearance. So we come here, we have tool here. You see tool, on tool just click here. We have to come here to down here, just option, click on option, and then you have to check where is our LibreOffice. So our LibreOffice is here. You can click minimize here, click on plus button, it will be maximize. Now it's a maximize. We have to come to appearance here. In appearance you can see, now you can change here to system colors, dark, light. These are the new features, and from here you can download. Actually I have some downloaded themes. You can download these themes. For example, Office 2003 blue themes, light application themes, I have downloaded all. So you can apply these in LibreOffice. Now in automatic you can change the color for system, and you have to click OK, apply. Okay. So you see we have changed the theme of our color. Everything is white now. You see back, everything is white. So if I want to change to dark mode, we will come here again to tool. On tool we have to come to option. You see now we have appearance system, but I will check dark here and apply. Okay, so everything is dark here now. We come here and anytime, and now I want to change here to light here. Okay, and from here you can change. You see fuzzy background, tile, stretch, all are these, but I take this to light, apply. Okay, so now we have LibreOffice light here. So in this way it works. Anytime you can change the themes, and you can take the customized theme which I have downloaded. I have showed you how to download. Just I want to take this ocean blue. Okay, just apply. Okay, LibreOffice will restart now. Okay, done save. Now our LibreOffice will start here. So you see I have a other theme here. If you see yourself, it will be visible. You see here color has changed, color has navy blue, it has changed. So in this way you can customize your LibreOffice. The next feature is same, like you see I have already showed you about this changing the themes. You see such type of themes, same things you can do from here. Come here and just like, and here appearance, here you have to come to appearance. Here you have to click here this button. You see here this theme, and from here you can download like me, and you can anytime change. Actually these are the main features which have been added. And now I want to show you one great features of LibreOffice that you can't find in MS Office anywhere, or you can find in only the paid, very costly proprietary softwares. You can change PDF into Word directly, and you can edit. For this I take a PDF file first. For this you see I have this PDF. I want to open this and open with. When you come here, you see come here to LibreOffice Draw. Actually this is the PDF, just like PDF. We click here, you see our PDF is automatically changed into here. You see change into Word. Now I can check, I can add anything here. If I want to add, and you can make this bigger like this. You see cells bigger. I want to make it bigger like this, and I can add now anything. No, you can write actually. No, I write here, please subscribe. Please subscribe, dear friend. If this class is helpful to you, adds value to your life, please subscribe. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation. No, I have added, please subscribe. So this is good features. Explore this feature. If you want about this, how the LibreOffice Draw work, this PDF LibreOffice, you can write me in the comment box. I will make a special tutorial for you. So you can change anything in LibreOffice. And when you want to save these changes, you have to just click here, save as, Control Shift as, save as here. And here you see LibreOffice Draw. You can do LibreOffice Draw, ODF drawing in this format. Directly you can save here. So dear friend, all these are the main features I have explained you in LibreOffice. Try and see if you use LibreOffice. All these new features will help you a lot, dear friend.